Welcome back. We're here for the third exercise of the Army Combat Fitness Test, which is the hand release push-up with the arm extension.
This exercise targets the chest, shoulder, tricep, and core muscles.
The service member will start in the prone position with their hands placed directly underneath their shoulders with their index finger inside the outer edge of their shoulder. On the command go, the soldier will begin to press themselves off the ground, achieving a fully extended elbow and their body in a generally straight line. The service member will then lower themselves, placing their chest, hips, and thighs on the ground at the same time. The service member will extend their arms outward to a 90-degree angle and then bringing them back underneath the shoulders with the index finger inside the outer edge of the shoulder. Some real-life applications for the hand release push-up with the arm extension is pressing an enemy away during close quarter combat, move quickly during evasion or maneuver activities, and to increase stability while performing the prone and or the low crawl. So some preparatory exercises that we can do in preparation for the hand release push-up with the arm extension is the modified tricep push-up, dips and flips, and the 8-count T push-up. The first exercise is the modified tricep push-up. And to get into that position, we'll place our hands on the ground, pressing our middle fingers together, and then coming down flat on the ground. And then we're gonna bring our hands together and place them directly below our rib cage in line with our shoulders. And then we're gonna, leaving our hips in contact with the ground, we're gonna press up and then lowering ourselves as a single unit back to the ground. The second exercise that we'll do is dips and flips. So we'll start with a dip by coming to any elevated surface, but here we'll use this wall. We'll come around and grab a seat, placing our hands right next to our lower body here, and then we're gonna come out and extend. And then you can either leave your feet uncrossed or crossed. I choose to cross my feet. And then we're gonna dip by flexing at the elbow and then pressing up for that full tricep extension. And then from here, we're gonna flip over, rotate directly over, placing both hands as if you were about to do a push-up in the front leaning rest position. And then you can either, again, cross your feet or uncross them. I cross mine, and then drop down, touching your chest to the wall, and then pressing up. So to begin the 8-count T push-up, we'll start in the position of attention. On count 1, we're going to drop to the ground, placing our hands on the ground. Count 2, thrust our hips. Count 3, drop to the ground. Count 4, extend our hands out at a 90-degree angle. Count 5, bring our hands back in. Count 6, come up to the front leaning rest position. Count 7, count 8 is standing at the position of attention again. And finally, remember to hydrate, eat green, conduct preparatory and recovery exercises, and let's get after it, because getting after it is what we do.